When Huel released their hot and savoury range, I said it was a game changer. The perfect balance of carbs, proteins, fats, all your nutritional macro and micronutrients, 27 vitamins and minerals, all of those things we've come to expect in a shake, but in a quick, simple, hot and savoury meal. Well, now they've added a new flavour, mac and cheese. Now I'm looking forward to tasting this, so without further ado, let's get on with it. Traditionally, when it comes to meal replacement products like Huel, it's normally in the form of a shake or in a ready-to-drink. The beauty being you get all your essential macro and micronutrients scientifically formulated in a perfectly balanced meal. So you don't have to worry about preparing and buying all the ingredients to make sure that you're eating healthy food, etc. Especially useful for those with busy lifestyles or who work, forget to have lunch and things like that. But it can get a bit boring and bland, just having shakes and stuff all day. But the Huel Hot and Savoury range offers a hot, tasty meal that does all of that, is ready in under 5 minutes, contains all your carbs, your 24 grams of plant-based protein, your healthy fats, loads of fibre, and every vitamin and mineral your body needs. Now, I've tried and tested all the flavours from the hot and savoury range, from the super spicy madras to the more plain tomato and herb. But mac and cheese, now this is the first time I think they've used pasta as an ingredient. Now, I've had a pasta-based complete nutritional meal product in the form of sort of the cayenne pasta plenty pot from Jimmy Joy, and that was okay. So let's check out the ingredients of this hot and savoury cheese and mac. Notice how they spell cheese with a Z, which suggests that it's not real cheese for those worried about that. Huel describe it as an indulgent, creamy pasta with a subtle, smoky cheese flavour, sweet tomatoes, and a hint of garlic. Note, it does contain gluten, if that matters to you. So this one does contain gluten. In terms of the main ingredients, you've got here, you'll see you've got dried macaroni, which is Durham wheat, semolina, cheese style seasoning, which is made up of maize starch, dairy-free creamer, sunflower oil, glucose syrup, modified starch. Then you've got your rice flour, onion powder, yeast extract, spices, which are like mustard, turmeric, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, some natural flavorings like oregano, pea protein, coconut milk powder, soluble glucofiber, flaxseed oil powder, dried tomatoes, and then your micronutrient blend, which delivers all those vitamins and minerals, etc., etc. Anyway, you can check out all the ingredients on the website there. As we've come to expect from Huel, we're getting a nutritionally balanced instant meal. Yeah, the macronutrients, vitamins and minerals that your body needs to help you thrive. A basic serving of the Huel Hot and Savoury contains a balanced macro split, which is 38, 25, 37. So that's carbohydrates, fats, protein and fibre, and all the 26 vitamins and minerals that your body needs to thrive. So basically that's made up of carbs, 40 grams of carbs, 24 grams of protein, 30 grams of fat, 11 grams of fibre, and then the vitamin and mineral mix is about 2 grams. But what you really want to know is, what does it taste like? Well, let's find out. Prep-wise, it's super easy. You make sure you give the bag a good shake because the ingredients can settle, so you want to make sure you've mixed all the ingredients. Then it's basically 2 scoops for a 400-calorie meal, 2 scoops of the Huel, and then you can add to those 2 scoops, add 250 ml of boiling water, stir thoroughly, make sure that you ensure even heating, cover it for 5 minutes, boom, you're done. Alternatively, you can do it in the microwave, but we're going to be doing it in the bowl. In terms of the microwave, 2 scoops, 250 mils of cold water, microwave 2 minutes, stir, and then another 1 minute under the microwave. But anyway, there you go. Let's make it up and see what it tastes like. Okay, so here we are. You can see that. Mac and cheese. Yes, it's got a nice, there's certainly a cheesy smell to it. And from a sort of constituency point of view, it looks okay. You can see a few sort of herbs and stuff in there. A few other bits sort of vegetables and stuff. But let's get on with the tasting. That's what you're here for. Oh, there's a nice cheesy taste to it. Give it a taste though. I mean, a cheesy smell to it. That's the important thing. Okay, that's nice. The pasta's slightly crunchy, but not in a kind of, it's not cooked properly way, but in a kind of nice way. But it's also sort of soft. I know that's oxymoron. Yeah, that's nice. Oh my Lord. So some of the spicy ones they do, like Madras is super spicy, and the Mexican chili I quite like. It's quite spicy as well. And then the tomato and herb people say to me, which are not so spicy, they say, oh, that's quite bland, a bit of the korma, although I like them all, to be honest. But this, if you're not sure about the spicy one, I'm surprised at how well the pasta's come out in this, considering all I've done is added 2 scoops of the stuff, 250 mils of water, mixed it up, left it for 5 mins. I'm curious what it'd be like in the microwave, but to be honest, using the boiling water from the kettle method, this is really nice. It's just a hint of sort of cooked crunch to the pasta, but there's also a chewiness to the pasta. And it, like you've done a mac and cheese and you put it under the grill. Yeah, so you get the sort of slight crispy bits of pasta. There's elements of that to it. And yet also elements of the sort of normal chew. I'm really enjoying this. Yeah. Sorry. I'm pleasantly surprised. I was excited about this. I was hoping it was going to taste good. And it does. I've seen some comments on my Instagram I posted going, it's disgusting, whatever. Of course, taste is always subjective, but that's really nice. I mean, is it the tastiest mac and cheese you'll ever have in all your life? Is it gourmet mac and cheese? Of course not, but there's real flavour to it. It tastes pretty well. It tastes cheesy. I mean, I've had sort of instant meals before with pasta and stuff like that, and cheesy pasta you can get from the supermarket super cheap. It's better than that in terms of its taste. Yeah, so those quick kind of make pasta things you can get in the supermarket. It tastes better than that, significantly better than that. There's a nice savoury, cheesy taste to it. I want some more. It's very nice. I'm definitely going to be ordering some of this because I think it tastes really nice. And if if you're sort of fed up with the spicy stuff, it makes a great change from that. If you've got some of the more spicy meals they do, and then some of this will add great variety to that to sort of chop and change. But it's quite Moorish as well. I'm pleasantly surprised. I thought it would be okay, but it's a bit better than I actually thought, to be honest. So well done, Huel. Price-wise, you need to buy a minimum of 3 bags of the hot and savoury, which in fairness does seem a lot if you've never tried them before, but that does work out about £49.50 for 3 bags, which is 21 meals. So that's £2.35 per meal. So you're getting 7 meals a bag. So that's if you subscribe. And that's still significantly cheaper than, say, a shop-bought sandwich. And of course, much more healthy. In terms of just not subscribing and a one-off purchase, then it's £54.99, which is £2.61 per meal. So in conclusion, as I say, I like the option of having a hot and savoury meal, especially in the autumn and winter. And knowing that I don't have to faff about with buying all the right ingredients and all the food waste that comes with that, the prepping, cooking a meal to ensure I get all the right nutritious kind of healthy elements that I need, when I can literally just boil a kettle, couple of scoops of this, leave it for 5 minutes, boom. There is my nutritional requirements being met in a hot, warm, tasty meal, which is perfect for my lifestyle. I must admit, taste-wise, they described it as being creamy and having a slight smoky flavour. And now I read that description, thinking back on what I just ate, that's a very good description. It is creamy. If you get that right balance, so that was 250 mils, was perfect for me, 250 mils of boiling water with the 2 scoops, exactly, topped off at the edge, so not heaped, 2 perfect scoops, 250 mils of water, and I think it made the perfect kind of meal. As I say, it was creamy. The pasta had a little bit of crunch to it, which was really nice, and there was a slight smoky flavour overall to it. So as I say, I was duly impressed. So hats off to you, Huel. Keep innovating. Well done, guys. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes, because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content like this. And if you are new here, yokoso arigatou gozaimasu. I'd be most grateful if you can whack that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell, so you know when I go live with content like this. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you around very, very soon. Thank you.